So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to create our shape. So click on this icon here on the rectangle select tool, select it. Check the rounded corners. So for the radius I'm going to use 154. And now I'm going to create my selection. And now create a new layer, click on this icon. Fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now I'm just going to fill it with the black color. So I'm going to fill it with the background. So here it is. I'm just going to drag it. And now go to select none to remove selection. And now go to layer and then crop layers to content to crop the layer to the content here. And now I'm going to duplicate this layer. Click on this icon. Select the move tool. And now hold the shift key while moving this layer to move it on a straight line. Now I'm going to move it here like this. And now I'm going to duplicate this layer. Again, duplicate it. And now same thing. Make sure you're on the move tool. Left click, hold the shift key and then drag it up to move it on the same line. So I'm just going to select the bottom one, this one here. I'm going to move it closer to the middle one. So here like this. So I think I'm going to leave it here. And now select the top one and now I'm going to merge these three shapes. Select the top one, click on this icon here to merge down the first time and then the second time. Now I'm going to reduce the opacity of this shape. Select the rotation tool. And now I'm just going to rotate it. So like this, just to fill the face here of the person. And now click rotate. Now select the move tool. I'm going to place it here like this. And now let's bring back the opacity all the way up. And now click on this icon here to create a new layer group. And now I'm going to place these two layers here inside. So I'm going to place the image layer inside the group just by dragging it. And now select the shape layer and then just place it. So here just drag it. Make sure the image layer is on top of the shape. And now right click on the image layer, the person layer. Go to composite mode and then select clip to backdrop. This will clip your layer according to the layer under it. So for us it's the shape. And now I'm just going to click on the arrow here to close my folder group, my layer group, sorry. Click on this icon here to create a new layer. Fill it with transparency and then press OK. Now as you can see it is inside the layer group. So I'm just going to move it outside. Just drag it and then move it outside like this. Now I'm going to close this one and now I'm just going to drag this one under it and then I'm just going to fill it with white to create a background. And now select the layer group. I'm just going to click here on the arrow here to open the layer group. So you can still, for example, select the move tool. So for example, I can still move my layer inside. So here like this, I can even scale it. Just select the scale tool. So for example, if I scale it, click on scale. So here it is. Let's select the move tool. Or you can also scale the shape here or rotate it. So I'm going to select the scale here. So here like this, press enter. Now let's select the move tool. Now I'm just going to move my shape layer. So here I'm going to move it here like this. So if you want to replace an image, so I'm just going to hide this one. So I'm going to use this image here. So as you can see, I have already placed it in the layer group. So if I close it, just make sure it is on top of the shape layer. This one here, the black layer, this one here. And then just right click on it, go to composite mode and then do the same thing. Clip to backdrop. So here it is. And now if I select the move tool, I can move my layer. So here inside, just to fit it,